Hello friends, welcome to Career Class Learning. Today we are going to learn about what are the differences between SQL and NoSQL. This is very important topic to clear an interview. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and add your valuable comments that will help us to create the good quality of content. Let's get started. What are the differences between SQL and NoSQL? SQL databases store data in structured tables with fixed schema and support complex relationships and ACID transactions. NoSQL databases store data in flexible formats such as documents, key value pairs, or graphs, making them more scalable and suitable for large volumes of unstructured or rapidly changing data. SQL is best for transactional systems, while NoSQL is ideal for high-scale distribution applications. So, in simple words, two databases paradigm: structured tables versus flexible documents. So, with simple explanation, SQL databases store data in rigid tables with predefined schemas and user-structured query language. NoSQL databases offer flexible schemas, storing data as documents, key value pairs, or graphs, ideal for unstructured or rapidly changing data. Think of it as SQL is like a spreadsheet with strict columns, whereas NoSQL is like a filing cabinet where each folder can hold different types of documents. Why it matters? Your database choice affects how you model data, scale your system, and handle complex queries. Some common uses of SQL and NoSQL are data storage, application backends, analytics, real-time systems. Some real-world examples are PostgreSQL for banking transactions, MongoDB for content management, DB for gaming leaderboards. So if you see the table here, it is having feature, SQL and NoSQL. Coming to schema. In SQL, the schema is fixed and predefined, and NoSQL, it is dynamic and flexible. And next feature is scaling. In schema, it is vertical scale up. In NoSQL, it is horizontal. It means scale out. Relationships. So in SQL, we use joins like inner joins, outer joins, left outer join or right outer join, and we use foreign keys in SQL. And coming to NoSQL, we use embedded or reference documents. Coming to transactions. So in transactions in SQL, we follow ACID guaranteed, like atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability are granted here. And in NoSQL, eventually consistent. So there is no ACID properties are required in NoSQL. Query language. So in SQL, it is a standard SQL, and in NoSQL, it is varies by database. So it is MongoDB, it will be different, and Cassandra, it will be different. And best for complex queries and transactions, SQL is best, and NoSQL is best for high throughput and flexible data. So data modeling comparison. If you see here, so in SQL normalized tables, like user table will be having ID, name, email, and orders table will be having ID, user ID, total, and date. So we can access the data with select u.name, o.total from users u join orders o, and u.id equal to o.user id. So this is a query or data representation in the SQL database. Coming to NoSQL database, and MongoDB is example, it is having embedded documents. So as in the SQL we have users table and orders table. So it is users and orders will be stored as embedded documents, one inside the other. So if you see, name is John, email is john at example.com, and it is having another object inside it, that is orders. So orders is having two documents here, the total and date. I hope you understand what is the difference between SQL and NoSQL. In simple words, SQL databases store data in structured tables with fixed schema and supports complex relationships and support ACID properties. Whereas NoSQL database stored in data in flexible formats such as documents, key value pairs, or graphs. And you can choose these databases according to your requirements. I hope you understand these differences and it will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.